Hello boys and girls, I'm here, I'm missing you, and this week the story time is going to be lovely. I'm not sure if you know this book is called Emma Jane's Aeroplane, written by Katie Haworth and illustrated by Daniel Riley. So let's start our story. I wish I could go on a plane. Just like Emma Jane. Make yourself comfortable because our story is gonna start. One bright night, Emma Jane sets off in her aeroplane over lakes and over hills, through the darkness, calm and still. Up ahead is something bright. It's a city's shining lights. Do you know? It's London. Round a big bend she dips and loops. High above the Thames she swoops. And riding in the London Eye, she finds a fox who wants to fly. So Emma Jane in her aeroplane and a fox who doesn't like the rain fly on. Up ahead is something bright. It's a city's shining light. Which city is that gonna be? Yes, it's Paris. Do you know that one? The Eiffel Tower. So around the Eiffel Tower she spins. She loops the loop and flips and skims. Oh, not dumb. A rooster crows and into the little plane he goes. So Emma Jane in her aeroplane, a fox who doesn't like the rain, and a rooster who crows wherever he goes, fly on. Up ahead is something bright. It's a city's shining lights. Wait, what is gonna be? It's Venice. The Grand Canal is wide and deep. The gondoliers are fast asleep. The sun marks a lion, shakes his mane and roars until he's on the plane. So Emma Jane in her aeroplane, a fox who doesn't like the rain, a rooster who crows wherever he goes, and a lion so proud he holds up his nose, fly on. But up ahead is something bright. It's a city's shining lights. Which city do you think is gonna be now? Yes, it's New York. Did you know that? New York. The Statue of Liberty is tall and strong. And all Manhattan's lights are on. Look at this statue. Can you see that? Really famous in New York. Down on Broadway, a pigeon's dance leads to the plane with a hop and prance. So Emma Jane in her aeroplane, a fox who doesn't like the rain, a rooster who crows wherever he goes, a lion so proud he holds up his nose, and a pigeon who sings and claps her wings, fly on. Up ahead is something bright. It's a city's shining lights. And now it's Beijing. Look at that. The World Trade Center sparkles bright. The palace glows with twinkling lights. On the great wall a dragon sings. She wants the plane to give her wings. So, do you remember? Say that with me. Emma Jane in her aeroplane, A fox who doesn't like the rain. A rooster who crows wherever he goes. A lion so proud he holds up his nose. A pigeon who sings and claps her wings. And a dragon who wriggles and diggles and giggles fly on. Up ahead is something bright. It's a city's shining light. And now is Sydney. From the harbour bridge they admire the view, the opera house, the fireworks too. And from his surfboard on the tide a wombat here wants to hit a ride. So Emma Jane in her aeroplane. A fox who doesn't like the rain. A rooster who crows wherever he goes. A lion so proud he holds up his nose. A pigeon who sings and claps her wings. A dragon who wriggles and diggles and giggles. And a wombat dude who's a little bit rude. Fly on. And up ahead, something's not right. A darkening cloud, a flash of light. Can you see that? What's gonna happen to Emma Jane? What do you think's gonna be? It's a storm. On the fly through the stormy sky, the rain beats down, the waves lash high, and the plane is tossed by a fearsome wind. Then into the turning sea it spins, whoosh, whoosh, splash. Look at them, boys and girls. They don't look very happy, do they? Now Emma Jane and her aeroplane and her friends who came along are lost at sea on the ocean waves, and the night seems very, very long. But the pigeon is good with the directions, and she even brought a map. The dragon mends the propellers while the wombat bails with his hat. The rooster has foghorn crow, the lion makes a sail. While Emma Jane steers through waves, the fox rows with his tail. And when they get back to the shore, they hug each other tight. All working, they got safely to the shore. But now, then Emma Jane and all her friends, you know what do? They fly back in the pink down light. So the wombat stays in Sydney and the dragon in Beijing. The pigeon goes back to New York while dancing on the wing. The lion steps off in St. Mark's and turns back into stone. The rooster stays in Paris, which is where he feels at home. And Emma Jane farewells the fox with the morning in the sky, and then she zooms off in her plane. Where do you think she will fly? Where do you think she will fly next, boys and girls? I wonder. She has been to some nice cities, hasn't she? And that is really the end of our story. And I hope you have enjoyed Emma Jane's Aeroplane, and that you could perhaps talk to mom, dad, to someone from your family about the different cities that you have been or you would like to go and visit. And also, I would love to know if you would like to go and fly on an aeroplane, just like Emma Jane. I miss you. You take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.